In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Microsoft Word. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a professional report, or just want to make your document look a bit more appealing, understanding how to effectively format text can significantly enhance the readability and impact of your work. So grab a coffee and let's dive in together. First things first, we need to launch Microsoft Word. Begin by navigating to the Windows Start menu. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of your screen, the one with the Windows icon. A simple click on this will reveal a plethora of applications and settings. But we're here for one thing today: Microsoft Word. Once the Start menu is open, move your attention to the search bar. It's here where you'll type in Word. As you start typing, you'll notice Microsoft Word appearing in the search results. It's usually depicted by its iconic blue and white document logo. Now it's time to open the application. Go ahead and click on Microsoft Word from the search results. If you've got a shortcut on your taskbar or desktop, you can use that as well. Wait for a moment as the application loads up, ready for your command. Upon launching Microsoft Word, you'll be greeted with the home page. Here you have a couple of options. You can kick off your formatting adventure with a blank document by selecting Blank Document. Or if you're returning to a masterpiece in progress, feel free to open any of your recent documents. Either way, you're moments away from unleashing the full potential of text formatting. Now to the crux of the matter: basic text formatting. Microsoft Word offers a vast array of formatting options to make your text stand out or to simply organize it better. Let's start by highlighting the text you intend to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. With your text highlighted, gaze your eyes towards the toolbar under the Home tab. This is your toolbox for transforming dull text into something visually appealing and easy to read. Want to emphasize a word or phrase? Apply bold by hitting Ctrl+B. To add a touch of elegance or distinguish a term, italics are the way to go with Ctrl+I. Underlining important information can make it stand out. Accomplish this with Ctrl+U. Let's not stop there though. In this same toolbar, you have the freedom to change the font style and size, giving your document that perfect look and feel. Additionally, you can spice things up with a splash of color by adjusting the text color. Alignment is key to a tidy document. The alignment options allow you to align your text to the left, center it, align to the right, or justify it, ensuring an even professional appearance across both sides of the page. And for those long pieces of text or lists, modifying the line spacing can enhance readability, making it easier for your audience to follow along. Remember, these shortcuts and tools are just the beginning. The more you experiment with these formatting options, the more comfortable you'll become in adjusting your documents to suit your needs or preferences. Whether it's a college essay, a business proposal, or a personal project, mastering these basic formatting skills in Microsoft Word will elevate your documents to the next level. That wraps up our tutorial on how to format text in Microsoft Word. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident in your ability to make your documents stand out. Practice certainly makes perfect, so I encourage you to open up a document and start playing around with these tools. The more you use them, the more intuitive they'll become. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, happy formatting.